If you are a creator currently drowning in a massive library of long-form videos, feeling constant guilt about not posting enough, this guide is specifically for you. Today I am introducing you to Vizard, a powerful tool designed to automate the process of turning your lengthy recordings into scroll-stopping short clips that actually get watched. It goes beyond just simple trimming by actually scheduling your content and providing a full calendar dashboard to help you manage your entire distribution strategy. While it might seem like pure magic, it is really just clever workflow design that keeps you organized without the manual headache. Let us walk through exactly how this platform functions, why it stands out from standard AI visual generators, and how it helps you level up your content game. Getting started is incredibly simple because you just visit the website and sign in using your Google account to get instant access. The dashboard feels exactly like a professional control room, offering you immediate access to your projects, raw uploads, and your master content calendar. You will notice that there are no annoying waitlists or complicated setups involved, just a fast web interface built for serious creators. Vizard provides 3 essential features that combine to save you hours of work every single week. First, the auto-editing feature scans your long videos like podcasts or tutorials to identify high engagement moments automatically. It identifies patterns in your footage such as big expressions, jumps in movement, or specific key phrases to ensure the resulting clips are actually punchy. The second killer feature is the auto scheduler, which takes the clips you approve and queues them up for posting without you having to manually hit publish. This ensures your social media channels remain active and consistent even when you are busy focusing on other projects. Finally, the content calendar lets you visualize your entire output in one place so you can drag and drop posts to optimize your schedule. While the AI does the heavy lifting, you still maintain full control over the final product within their editor. You can easily swap between different aspect ratios, like portrait for TikTok or landscape for YouTube, with just a few clicks. The built-in mini canvas is a lifesaver because it automatically adjusts zooms and pans to keep your subject centered, which is huge for vertical crops. Creators also absolutely love the batch export function, which lets you generate several clips in different formats at the exact same time. You can also reuse branding templates to ensure that your colors, fonts, and caption styles stay consistent across your entire channel. If you dread writing descriptions and hashtags, Vizard even auto-generates them based on the transcript and the specific topic of your clip. It is important to understand that this is very different from generative AI tools that create entirely new animations from scratch. Generative tools are fantastic if you want synthetic art, but they fail to solve the logistical problem of repurposing existing long-form content. Pure generation platforms can be expensive for high-volume needs and often struggle with batch processing or native social media scheduling. Vizard bridges this gap by digging into your raw footage to mine the gold you have already recorded, effectively turning one video into dozens of clips. To start, simply upload your long-form file by dragging it into the interface, and let the system process the audio and generate a transcript. Once the AI analyzes the audio peaks and visual cues, it will present you with a list of suggested clips ranging from 30 to 90 seconds long. You can then move into the editor to tighten the punchline or adjust the framing if the automated choice needs a little bit of manual refinement. Apply your custom branding template across all selected clips with a single command to save yourself hours of tedious design work. Finally, you drop your finished clips into the content calendar, set your posting times, and let the system handle the rest of your distribution. Always remember to do a quick quality check on the auto-generated captions, as they are strong but sometimes require a manual correction for perfect accuracy. Another pro tip is to actively use the thumbnail editor for your vertical posts, as the initial frame is not always the most eye-catching part of the video. You can also tell the AI which specific keywords or topics you want it to prioritize, so future batches learn your personal taste over time. While Vizard is incredible at extracting and refining highlights, remember that it is not a full-blown visual effects studio. If you are looking to do complex frame-by-frame motion graphics, you will still need to integrate other specialized software into your workflow. Compared to generative platforms that create content from text, Vizard's true strength is acting as a force multiplier for creators who already have a backlog. If your goal is to pump out interviews or live streams consistently, this tool is going to transform your entire production output. Another underrated feature is the analytics loop, which connects to your performance data to show you exactly which clips are gaining real traction. Over time, the system starts to understand what your audience responds to, whether that be shorter hooks or specific sound cues. In my own workflow, I recently took a 90-minute interview and used the tool to generate 40 clips, scheduling 12 of them across 2 full weeks. The engagement was immediate, and I saw a significant increase in watch time on short-form platforms without spending any extra hours on manual editing. If you are considering switching from a purely generative AI tool, just remember that consistency is the key to real growth. Generative tools are fun for novelties, but creators need a repeatable, reliable pipeline to build an audience over the long haul. So, here are my final tips. Batch upload your content to let the AI do the heavy lifting in one go. Also, make sure to reuse your templates so that your visual consistency creates a brand identity that viewers recognize instantly. Do not skip the content calendar because planning your output beats randomness every single time when it comes to social media performance. If you have a pile of long videos sitting on your hard drive, try Vizard for just one project and see the time savings for yourself. Between the auto-editing, the built-in scheduler, and the calendar, it is truly one of the most practical tools for anyone trying to stop burnout. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tools that make creation less of a grind. Finally, drop a link to one of your long videos in the comments below and I will share my ideas on which moments would make great short clips. I will see you in the next one.